Do you have a phone or do you have a camera like this? All right, so if you have all these things, then this video is going to be very good for you and you're going to make money online with this method that I'm going to show you. So you're going to learn how you can sell your photos online, and trust me, all these photos are not going to be like complicated photos that you see out there. You just have to be very simple and everything. So I will recommend you go with your mobile phone. That means you can have all the necessary ways of editing with your photos. Okay, so you don't have to be very complicated. Like I said, first of all, what you need is to visit my website at www.globalhealthyworld.org, and you're gonna get more articles like this. And let's dive into today's method. Okay, so before I will take you to today's method, all you need is to subscribe to my channel, and then turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, YouTube will send notifications instantly, guys. So let's dive into today's method. All right, so the first website that we are going to talk about is shutterstock.com. So you've been online for so many years, and if sometimes you want to download pictures, they will ask you to even subscribe to the website before you can download those pictures. And if you continue by downloading them, they will just put a watermark on the pictures so that you cannot use them. So if you're a photographer and you want to sell your pictures on the internet, all you need is to come to this website called shutterstock.com. I will leave the link in the description below, but if you don't find them, you can visit my website and you can just click on the links and it will land you on this platform. So you can see over here it says get started, and you have to click on get started. You can see over here, so you have to create and then produce high quality images and videos of your custom for your customers to download, and you have to submit your content with an easy to use platform and get tips for success. And you can see over here it says make money every time your content is downloaded by one of our worldwide customers. And you can see over here it says refer. You can even refer people to this platform and make money online. So you can see they have paid more than 1 billion workers on this platform. And the website that I'm going to talk about as number 2 is this platform called IEM. So you can see all you need is to come to this section where it says start selling your work over here, and click on that, and you have to create a simple account, and they will allow you to upload your images and videos that you get everywhere that you want to upload. And then you just have to be high quality. They have a standard of everything, so you just have to come to the section where it says start selling your work, and then simple as that, you can create an account. So the reason why I'm not signing up to this platform is that all the website works similar. They work as similar to each other, so I don't have to waste your time or bore you. I just have to alert you and then show you the website that works perfectly for your video or photography work. So anybody at all can try, no matter the experience that you have. I think every one of us watching this video right now knows how to operate a camera or a phone camera, so it's very easy to do that, and it's very easy for you to make money with this by selling selling on this platform. So you can come to this version which says IEM.com, and you can sign up an account and then begin to sell all your photos and everything that you get. You can go out there, shoot any photo that you want. Even if it's an animal, you can just shoot a photo, take the pictures, and then you can come to this platform and then upload, and you can make money online with that. So let's buy, it says stock.adobe.com. so this platform is also paying people. So you can see over here people are also making huge amount of money with this platform. You know, Adobe is a very good or a very big company out there that people uses, and you can see they also have their platforms where people can come to the and upload or download pictures that they can use to make money on, they can use in their project over here. So stock photos, yes, let me correct myself, stock photos, so people can buy it straightforward from you and get the license of that photo. So you can see where it says upload. After creating your account, you can come to this section where it says upload, and you can see people are even creating accounts and making money online with this platform. Next by it says stocksy.com. So you can see where it says this one doesn't allow you to create a complete free account. You just have to apply by just submitting some details that they need from you. So you can come to this section where it says apply, and then come to this section where you just have to be more than 16 years old over here. Okay, you just have to be 16 years old, and then you just have to accept their terms of condition, and then come to this section where it says first name and last name. Make sure you use your legal name, don't use your nickname, because sometimes if you are withdrawing your money from this platform, they will ask you to provide them with some document that contains your name that you have used on the website. So just use your legal name, and you'll come to this section over here where it says this platform says fob.com. So these platforms also allow you to create an account of being a photographer, and you can sell your stock photos that you are not using to this platform. So it's very easy. Don't think about the competition, just take real photos and then good photos of things that you think they are not useful in the society. Most people think most pictures are not important in the society, but some content creators just need those stock photos. And then you can see over here it says where they can license for $10 each, and then they split the commission to $5. You can sell the same photo unlimited number of times, so you can take $5 and they also take $5. So let's take it that you got 10 downloads from this a photo that you uploaded. That means you're going to make a huge amount of money, like $50 for each and every month at unlimited time. So they don't have in a limited time, and you don't have to pay for these platforms before you can join them. So next on our list over here is talking about dreamtime.com. So this platform also allows you to sell your photos over here. So this one, you can even calculate the type of photos that the amount of money that you're going to make per each photo that you upload on this platform. So you can see over here say earning percentage, because this platform you have not paid for anything. So all you need, they have to take some of the commissions, and they will be giving commissions. You have to, they will give you some of the commissions of the money being paid. So you can see over here, this is it. You can just go through it and then learn much about it. If you upload a video, there is over here if you upload videos over here, these are the amount of money that you're going to make, the credit that you're going to make for every video that you upload. And then let's go to picfair.com as our next on our list. So you can see you sell over here. So all you need to do comes to say where it says explore selling over here. So you just have to sign up with Gmail account and then Facebook account, or you just have to type in your email and then password and then hit on sign up to Pics. So it's very simple and easy over here. So if you already have an account, you can even log into that, but I think most of you don't even know or might not even heard the name of this platform. So all you need is to come to this platform and sign up for a complete account. Next on our list over here is on splash.com. So you need to come to this section where it says apply to be an on Splash Plus contributor. So all you need to do is to click on that. This platform also allows you to become to sell your photos to the general public. So you can see over it says thank you for your over here. So you can come to this section where it says click on that. So after clicking on that, all you need to do is come to ready to join our contributor program. Apply here. So all you need to do is to type on that, and it's going to open another tab for you, for them to give you the sign up form over here, so you to apply and then enter everything over here, all your details. So please note, we are currently only accepting photography applications. If you are an illustrator or 3D artist, please share your email here, and you alert you once application real pins. So photographers are only accepted now on this platform. Now next our list or is use platform called 500px.com. 500px, and people in the photography, px means 500 pixels, so 500px.com. So you place this platform, you can sign up with your Gmail, Apple account, and Facebook account, and even your email account. All you need after doing that, you have to accept their terms of conditions, and simple as that. You are easy to go with this platform. And last but not the least, over here where it says alamy.com. So I just have to accept this, and then you can see read more about them over here once you visit their website and you come to the section where it says ready to start. All you need to do is hit on sign up over here, and as easy as that. After hitting on that, they are going to allow you to type in all these necessary details that they need from you over here. So you have to select where it says are you a photographer, just allow it to be selected, and about you just have to type in something small about you and fill in all the necessary details over here, and simple as that. You are going to make money with this platform. So last on our list over here is this platform where it says this platform talks about photodoom.net, and these platforms allow you to is associated with Elevanto platform. So Elevanto market, you can see the name listed over here, and these platforms allow you to sell your photos on the internet. So guys, this is the easiest way and then the hassle-free way of making money online. So just go ahead, upload a single picture on all these platforms, and as easy as that, when you get a download from any of these platforms, you are going to make money online. So go around and then take pictures of rocks and then things that are in the society, some environments. If you see an animal that looks very interesting, videos and all those stuff, you can just upload them on this platform, and you're going to make money as a easy as that. So now all you need is to visit my website at www.globalhealthywealth.org, and you're gonna see this article over here. You can switch to the dark theme over here, and then the light theme over here. It's very simple, and everyone we teach people how to make money online. You can see over here all these things are over here to allow you to make money online. So now visit our YouTube channel and then subscribe to the channel, and last but not the least, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, YouTube will send notifications instantly. Guys, thank you very much for your time. See you in my next video. Stay safe and then peace out.